Okay, kum no belong paralog. Welcome back. Peace from Africa, and I'm with my Khasi friends. Hello, paralog. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. So the next song is "It's a Beautiful Day," right? It's a beautiful day, but Khasi version by Joelan. Joelan Parid, guys, bro, love from Africa. Let's enjoy the vibe. Let's go. Let's see. We'll see the winner, okay? We'll see the winner. Let's go. Start. It's a beautiful day, Joelan. Tell us.
1,
2, 3. 3. Okay.
Sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Hadu dia kajikan ni Waklu maki jing udon Wat kas kau teli Sempat sejun Litaya nak kaji syai Nama sakmala Tim Raini kentang Itu lagi minum pop kumanga Kos yung menjembat Menjai wat yang ni kumpa Ya jisung jikalah Semua berkaya tuhan Semua jiwa petang Sambil ngapai ngaturan Nanti baru kebangan Kamu ngajam kamu ngapai Hendai kaji sejauh Yang aku sayang Makan pun kijingkali Hendai ku tanya samya Tanghame Musim jangla keselausan Hajan jangling Hapeng jingdung Taluk terabak kami It's a beautiful day It's a beautiful day It's a beautiful day.
Okay. Indeed, it's a beautiful day with you, Khasi people. Thank you so much. So we are going to see the winner. We have two winners now. We have two winners for a beautiful day. So the first winner goes to Junior. Junior. We have one junior and we have one senior. So okay, let's see. So the first winner goes to her. Winner! And the second is senior, she. Okay. Yeah, battle is running down.